Yeah, and hi everyone. So I built a web app called SolCrafter. It is basically like lovable and bold, but it generates Solana programs according to a prompt, and also it will write the test scripts with it, and also to deploy it in the DevNet after building it. I'll just demonstrate it once. I'll just sign in first. So I'm signing in. Here are my previous Solana programs which I built while testing the web app. So I'll just write a escrow contract now. So I have sent the prompt. So this prompt goes with the template to Perplexity model Sonar Pro. So it will generate me the uh, code which is needed, and I'm updating it in the Docker container where the VS Code image is running. So let's wait for the uh, response. So yeah, the response has come. So here's the test script and also the lib.rs file. You can also see the actions which the AI performed for you. Example, it updated the index.ts, lib.rs, and also readme, and it also run a run command bun install. So now we will build this program now. So we are building it. So let's wait. So yeah, it has started building. You can see the target folder is also created. Now let's wait. Okay, let's wait. So as you can see, all the build is completed, and also inside the target folder I got the release and deploy folder in which the escrow key pair and a .so file are there. Now we can get the program ID directly, and we can also deploy it. So let's deploy the built program in the Solana Devnet. So it's deploying. Let's wait. Okay, it's deploying. Yeah, it's deployed. Now we can get the program ID, and also